Don't give me that. You steal my idea where I was stealing refining the details.
Work is all about efficiency.
Can't settle this with words? Fine. Let's take it inside and settle it like men.
Are you sure?
Of course. Let's see who's the real deal. Say no more. Let's get started.
It's funny. You better not pay for this.
Oh my god, they're actually fighting. Go and draw the curtains.
Oh my god!
Get out! Don't do this kind of thing in the future. Don't steal other people's idea. Look at yourself.